Hello everyone, this is my YouTube channel, The Takeoff. I have created this video to help the students in this lockdown situation so that they can get the basic knowledge of income tax sitting at home. So, as we all know, there was a huge amendments in the rates of tax for the assessment year 2021 by our Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has given the various tax rate for the different income tax slab. Now we will be discussing the changes and the new tax slab for the previous year 1920 and the assessment year 2021. So starting with the tax rate. This is the new tax slab for the various income group like individual, domestic company and partnership. I will be discussing it now. Now let us see individual whose age is below 60 years. The individual can be both male or female. There is no differentiation, that is, if male income and female income whose age is below 60 years will have this slab. Now if the total income is up to 2,50,000, the tax rate would be nil. If the income is above 2,50,000 but below 5 lakh, the tax rate would be 5%. Now let us see the tax rebate of 12,500 is available. This tax rebate under section 87A we will be discussing it later on. Now if the total income is above 5 lakh but below 7.5 lakhs, the tax rate is 10%. 7.5 lakh to 10 lakh is 15%, 10 lakh to 12.5 is 20%, 12.5 lakh to 15 lakh is 25%, 15 lakh above is 30%. Individual whose age is above 60 years but below 80 years, the tax rate is as follows, like income up to 3 lakh nil, 3 to 5 lakh 5%, 5 to 10 lakh 20%, 10 lakh above is 30%. Individual whose age is 80 years and above, there is only bifurcation of age limit. Income up to 5 lakh is nil, 5 to 10 lakh is 20%, 10 lakh above is 30%. Now for the domestic company, tax rate is based on the basis of turnover. If the turnover of the company is up to 400 crore in financial year 17-18, then the rate of tax would be 25%. If the gross turnover, this is talking about gross, not net turnover, gross turnover. If the gross turnover is more than 400 crore in financial year 17-18, then the tax rate would be 30%. Now these are the three cases, like when the company opted for section 115BA, rate would be 25%. If the company opted for section 115BAA, then the rate would be 22%, and when the company opted for section 115BAB, then the rate would be 15%. In all the three cases, the surcharge will be 10%. Surcharge we will be discussing it now. Now the partnership firm, the rate of tax in all the cases apart from the total income, like in the total income does not matter. In all the cases, rate would be 30%. Health and education cess, this is a mandatory cess which has to be charged in all the cases, and the rate is 4%. Rebate, as we have talked about it under section 87A. Like, if the total income of an individual, resident individual, does not exceed 5 lakh, the amount of rebate shall be 100% of the income tax or 12,500, whichever is less. Like, if the income is up to 5 lakh, you have not to pay any taxes. Your tax would be nil. Now, surcharges. Surcharge is addition on tax. For an individual, if the total income exceeds 50 lakh, then the 10% of the tax you have to pay as a surcharge. If the total income exceeds 1 crore, then 15% of the income tax. This is of income tax. 15% of income tax, 10% of income tax, not of your total income. Now, domestic company, the net income between 1 crore to 10 crore, then 7%. If the net income exceeds 10 crore, then 12%. For the foreign company, the tax rate is normally 40%, and surcharge is, if income is between 1 crore to 10 crore, 2%, and if exceeds 10 crore, then 5%. And for the partnership firm, if the total income exceeds 1 crore, then 12%. That means 30% plus cess plus surcharges. 30% plus 4% plus 12%. This will be your tax. So, we have discussed the surcharges and rates of taxes. Further, I will be discussing more, but till then, learn this or write this, and in the next class, we will be discussing more of direct taxes, rates, capital gain, business income, and other topics also will be covered in short. This is just a type of revision. You have to sit at home and read and learn. No need to worry that your syllabus or your exam is getting lag. So just have a thorough reading and enjoy the tax. Thank you. Have a good day.